It's a sad morning. You can tell who's not happy.
Sad morning. My throat is hurting.
We're all packed up. Time to go, but we at least have today to go explore. So, just gonna grab some breakfast now before we head out. Then probably go explore Disney Springs for a little.
Yeah. We still have a full day away from home.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's go. Back at Disney Springs, we got off the boat okay. Took an Uber back. Uber was pretty easy, I thought.
Fine.
Now we're gonna go get a coffee.
Again, but I know there's so many other places we want to go.
Yeah, there are a lot of other places.
We get a hog in a box.
I think we probably should get a hog in a box.
And a beer.
Yeah, but we're walking around. We're gonna sit at Starbucks and have a coffee and maybe look at some of the fall food, fall treat options.
On our fall treat trail.
But I can never get over how good of a job they did here at Disney Springs. Just looking at like this, that's just amazing. It's just amazing.
And
we're looking at the fall.
Creme brulee.
We're looking at the fall food trail.
It's the treat trail that Jen intended. But I'm actively looking at it. Ooh, they have one of those holiday turkey sandwiches with like cranberry on it.
Best to us, there is this is not the whole thing.
I flipped it. Well, it was easier to
right, let me
hold.
see the other half.
Yeah.
I think
The braised pork shoulder. Oh.
The braised pork shoulder sounds good. Where's Jock Lindsay's?
I'm gonna flip it. Here. Giant charcuterie.
Oh yeah, the giant charcuterie pretzel.
With prosciutto, broads, pepperoni, smoked cheddar, pickles, spicy mustards, and beer cheese fondue. And you can get an autumn smash with Captain Morgan pear, simple syrup with cinnamon.
Is there a picture of that on the back?
The pretzel?
Yeah.
Yeah. See it?
Where is it? There it is.
Up by the churros.
Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna sit here and finish our coffees and then maybe go explore some more.
They have a gauntlet.
Yeah,
they had it in the door the last time.
We're in the Marvel store. It's not focusing.
If they had a t-shirt that didn't look stupid, I would definitely.
You would get a Marvel t-shirt. It's Greta's Halloween costume. You would look beautiful as the Hulk. Lady Hulk. She-Hulk. There you go.
I think that's funny.
Thor's hammer.
This is a big coffee.
What's its name?
Hammer.
What's the hammer's name?
I forget.
Jonathan. There's Greta's gauntlet. Greta, you could wear that. That should be your Halloween costume. What do you think?
Stones to light up.
Can you get them all to light up?
I thought this
No,
would
just the middle one.
I thought it would all like.
You gotta put it on and snap it. Greta's favorite. Groot. Oh. Oh. You almost got it.
Look at him. His face.
Is that teenager Groot?
Oh, this is the one that sits on.
Oh, that's the one that sits on your shoulder. Oh. How many Groots can you have?
A lot of food.
I guess so. What do you think?
I think we should get the pillar for the top.
Okay. Which pillow are you talking about?
It would make you happy.
Look at all the stuff.
It looks like the ghost.
The ghost pillow. I kind of like the ghost pillow. So much stuff. I love Halloween. What do you think of Halloween? Thoughts on Halloween? We both like Halloween.
Where are you? Michael's eating his chocolate now.
You're going chocolate.
It's saying our battery's running low.
I know.
Is it good?
It is good.
We like it.
There's caramel frozen too.
Ooh, wait, focusing. Oh, it's not gonna. Oh, there you go. Nice. This camera does just take long to like focus, like in and out.
We'll get it figured out.
Yay.
Good stuff. We're here at D-Luxe Burger. Greta's inside grabbing our burger. I'm outside. I grabbed the table. This is the first time we're going to try this, but we've heard lots of really good things, so we're excited. Greta just came back with our burger.
Yes.
So there's the burger. The burger looks delicious. We also got fries, and she got about 1 million sauces.
Fries because I knew they had really good sauces.
So tell me what sauces
they
you
have.
have.
Garlic ranch, they have buffalo ranch, they have horseradish, which I know you would want to try, and then they have chipotle mayo, and then they have a 3 mustard with honey, and then just
3 mustard with
vinegar.
honey. And vinegar.
And ketchup, which doesn't belong.
And ketchup. I don't like ketchup. Only Greta likes
Ketchup's
ketchup.
for Greta.
All right.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Let's give it a go.
I got you the spicy one.
Thank you. There's a cross section of the burger.
It looks pretty bomb.
It looks
I got everything on it.
amazing.
If you don't want anything,
It looks
just take
so
it off.
good.
I'll take the little.
Give it a go. Let's see. First reaction.
It's very good.
It's good.
You can tell that it's like
Give me a flavor
chorizo.
profile.
Spicy, meaty, a little jalapeno. Really
Nice. Good first review. Let me give it a try.
Good. Go for it. Oh yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Was it worth it?
Yeah. It's definitely chorizo. The bun's really soft. Are these banana peppers on?
Yeah.
Deep fried banana peppers. Those are really good too. I got a lot of that. Got a nice crunch. So
It's Mexican-y.
happy.
It's spicy.
I like it a lot.
Yeah.
Tried all the sauces now.
Oh, you tried all
This
of them?
one is the chipotle mayo, and that's definitely the best. That buffalo ranch is also very good, and the mustard over here is also really good. It's all good. That horseradish is good. This is a
You like the
very good
horseradish?
meal. What do you think? Are you happy with this
I
meal?
like
I'm
it,
really
yeah.
happy with this
I'm
meal.
really happy with
I
it.
would get it again,
I would
100%.
eat this burger again. It's pretty good.
Well, that was really good.
Delish.
That was really good. So I think what we're gonna do now is,
So we're gonna go to Port Orleans.
yep, and take the
Maybe
boat
get
over.
some pumpkin beignets.
That's the plan. That'll be our fall treat since we totally disregarded the treat trail here. I don't know. Could still stop at Amaret's, but we'll see.
Don't need goofy treats.
Yes, we still need goofy treats, but all right, let's go get on a boat. Well, whoops. We thought we could take one to
I guess it just takes you
Port
around the
Orleans.
lagoon.
Yeah, but I guess not. So I don't know. We're gonna rethink what we're gonna do, I guess.
Regroup.
Yeah, figure it out from here.
We're back on track.
We figured out we were just at the wrong port, so
So
wrong
we're gonna
dock.
go to the right one.
So we're going to the
and
right
then
one.
We're gonna go, and then we might find some beignets. And
Nice.
We're gonna ride a boat.
Nice. We found the boat. We're going to French Quarter.
Yes.
Going to
We'll
French
find our way.
This is a cool view back here.
It is a cool town. On the
See all
Mickey and the
these
flowers.
schools.
Oh, that was the horn.
We're ready. We're off. All right, we're walking together. We're here. We're at French Quarter. It's pretty cool. This is very, very nice.
It's very cool. All the trees and stuff.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the pool is behind Greta right there. So I'm sure there's cool stuff there too. But we're just gonna walk around and see what we can see.
Thing in the pool.
Yeah, very cool. But this looks really nice. I would definitely stay here without a doubt. In the lobby, in Sasagula Float Works, they have a club. What does a club mean? Oh, you mean the sandwich? Oh, no, the Scat
No,
Cats
not
Club.
the sandwich.
Greta knows we love Scat Cats. What are we doing now?
We're gonna walk to not French Quarter, to Riverside.
Yes, we were just at
We're
French
just at
Quarter.
French Quarter.
We're walking
Walking on the walking.
in between the two on the walking trail.
Michael saw
next
the
to the
golf
water.
course and he was very
Yes, the
excited.
golf course was cool. What do you think? What did you think of French Quarter from what we saw?
I thought it was cool. I like that they were playing jazz music. I feel like this is the smaller one though, because even looking on the map, this one looks like it's
Yeah, I think you're right.
bigger. This
But
looks like the tinier one.
just walking over there now, see what we can find. We're walking up to Riverside now.
It's very pretty.
It's very pretty. It's different though.
Looks like a golf course.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, you can see them back there. It's cool though. It's like a bayou type deal.
Very pretty.
Which I like
I've
a
never
lot.
been in New Orleans, but
Yeah,
this is pretty cool.
I like it.
Stay. I think that was the little bridge that we
Alright, we're in the lobby now. This is really nice. You can see those are fans up there.
Yeah.
All the people over there checking in. What do you think? This is much nicer than French Quarter.
Yeah. I
Much
think we
nicer.
would definitely stay here.
Yeah, and then there's this little common area back here too. It's all really nice. Walking back by Alligator Bayou, which is a section of rooms, and again, it's super quiet. Very quiet, very
I would definitely
serene
stay here.
resort. That's
Yeah.
what I would say. It's nice. And bus stops back here too. Cool. Camera died. So on the phone.
I got a pumpkin
We're at Emirates.
brulee with a little
brulee.
cookie.
Now we're gonna eat it. We left Port Orleans a little while ago,
And it was really pretty. And then the camera died.
but now we're eating pumpkin brulee
Instead of beignets.
instead of beignets. Good stuff. Okay, last part of the whole trip. We're here at Cooks of Dublin for dinner.
And I finally
Greta-
got a hog in a box.
Greta got her hog in a box. So go ahead, take your bite. I got chicken and chips, by the way. Very delicious. Let's see it.
I'm ready.
Is it good? Mmm, delicious. Everything she remembered it was. Alright, good. Well, we're gonna eat our dinner and then we're gonna be off to
You need to have some.
the aeropuerto. So that's probably almost it for the day. But let's enjoy our meal. How was your hog in a box? Delicious. Good.
Now I'm sad because we have to leave.
Yes. That's pretty much it. We're gonna go grab some treats to bring home
Some
and
treats
then
so they don't melt, and then
head to the airport. Sad.
thanks for coming along to our trip to the Bahamas and Orlando with us. See you guys next time.